Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe below. Yes, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribed. Yeah, so today's video is, I already did a video on me using a Denman brush to get defined curls. The first video I did was more like you trying it out with me for the first time. And then I did another one where I twirled it. I didn't love that look, so I want to do the other way again. But this time, I remember, I don't know why I didn't use I just grabbed any product. But I'm like, ever since that video, I found a product that I love, and it's upside down because I want to get it all. That's the Mix Chicks Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm like, well, I didn't love the results the last time I did the Denman brush. So this time I want to do it with a product that I love, which is this product. And I want to give it a try again and see how it comes out. And I want to change up a couple of different things. Yeah, so one thing is that I didn't put my hair in a turban. I want to leave my hair as wet as I can. No, I don't even have any product in my hair, but I think it's already drying. Maybe I should try and air dry more often. Anyway, so yeah, so I want to get into that and I'm going to try it again. I want to make it really curly, and let's just get into this. And I've been practicing a little bit, but here we go. I'm going to put the product in my hair now, because last time I didn't make it about the product. And I remember just grabbing any product that probably wasn't my favorite. Oopsies. So I'm going to put some product in my hair. I'm also kind of putting the product in, I guess you could say, the diva way. I'm going to try it this way too. I am still putting it, see, I'm putting my finger through it anyway, because I feel like you got to get in there to the root, you know? Okay, the other side. And I might put some more in as I go along. So, I want to do more of a side part. Well, not really. I'm doing my usual side, I guess. Okay. So, let me try my hand. I think I'm going to put a little more product in, because I know that my hair will look better with more product. So, let's just do this. I'll put it in here only. As I go along, I'll put it in if I feel like I need to. Okay, so I'm going to then, okay, so let me section. I'm going to start, last time I think I started in the back. This time I'm going to start here. And I'm going to take my brush to the root. And I'm going to pull it. Taking more than I wanted to because I'm looking down. Okay. I'm going to pull it. There we go. That looks nice. Now I'm going to scrunch it up. Those look like nice curls, actually. Squeeze. Actually, it looked better before I did that. All right, well, we'll worry about it after. That's what I got. Okay, so let's do this. Again, from the root. I'm really yanking it too, by the way. Pulling it hard. Let's get that in there. Turning it halfway. You can see my product, but don't worry about that. Shake it up. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do this all around, and we'll be back. Or you could watch me, but just, I'll do it in fast motion. So you're watching me. I don't want to take that. I did that already. Okay. So you can see the difference on this side, and the curl definition on this side is much better. It's not easy to do the back, but actually my hair's a little dry, so I'm gonna put a little more in the back. The other side, just putting a little more in here. I know I seem like I'm putting a lot of product in my hair, but it really just gives you better defined curls when you do that, at least when I do it. I think I'm going to pull this guy on that side. Okay. Okay, I am gonna go over once more, just a little product, just a little, and then I'm gonna scrunch again all around. Okay, okay, okay. Now I'm going to diffuse. I could air dry, but I like to diffuse. In diffusing, I'm literally just gonna put it in my diffuser. Try not to touch the curls too much, but just kind of give them a little help getting in there. Okay, I'm gonna scrunch up and start drying. Before I do that, I want to do something because I feel like this stays flat, so I want to actually separate a little. And I'm going to start with the top of my head this time, a little different than I normally do, because I just want to get that more curlier. Okay, I am all styled and dried, and I feel like I got a haircut. Like, wow, look at the curls that I got. You know, it is about the product. I tried to say before I wasn't about the product, but it is. It's got to be the product too, because this really did give me these amazing curls, like for sure. But you got to use a good product with it, and take your time. Like I literally, my last video was trying it out for the first time with you guys. But like, look how much shorter my hair is, because that's how much more springy my curls got. My curls look so good. Look at this. You can see. Wow. Look at that. Can you see the definition? So, if you want to get literally defined curls like this, you can do it. But just make sure you do it with a good product. I have this upside down, but honestly, you can use any product that you like best. Whatever is your favorite product. And yeah, like this is like really, and it didn't take that much time. It really didn't. Yeah, and I started from the front. I think that also helped me. And I didn't have my hair in the turban. I don't remember if I did on my last video, but that really worked too, because it didn't dry out all the moisture, which I normally do like to do, but in this instance, it really worked well, and I'm really happy with the results. So, if you want to get curls like this, buy one of these. They're cheap. They're cheap. I'll put a link below for one, but yeah, so these brushes have been around forever. Okay, so that's my video. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. So until next time, have a great day. Bye.